Hello guys, welcome to this session. Today we are going to discuss MCQs on Revolt of 1857. At the end of this session guys, I will provide you the complete list of all the revolutionaries who were involved in the revolt of 1857 and the list of all British officials who tried to suppress this revolt. So watch the complete session, and if anyone is visiting the channel for the first time, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So let us start our session with the first question. The question is, the modern historian who called the revolt of 1857 the first war of independence. A option is R.C. Mazumdar, B option is S.N. Sen, and C option is V.D. Savarkar, and D option is Ashok Mehta. So right answer is option C, that is V.D. Savarkar called the revolt of 1857 as the first war of independence, right? Next point is, the revolt of 1857 was described as a national rising by the person Benjamin Disraeli, right? Next question is, the symbol of the War of Independence of 1857 was A option is lotus and bread, B is hawk, C is handkerchief, and D option is two swords. So right answer is option A, that is lotus and bread. Next question is, who was the Governor General of India at the time of the revolt of 1857? A option is Lord Dalhousie, B option is Lord Minto, C option is Lord Canning, and D option is Lord William Bentinck. So right answer is option C, that is Lord Canning. Next question is, the immediate cause of the First War of Independence was A option is Lord Dalhousie policy of annexation, B option is suspected interference of the British in religion, C option is military unrest, and last option is India's economic exploitation. So right answer is option B, that is suspected interference of the British in religion. Next question is, who was the British PM at the time of revolt of 1857? A option is Churchill, B is Palmerston, C option is Attlee, D option is Gladstone. So right answer is option B, that is Palmerston. Next question is, where is the memorial of Maharani Lakshmi Bai situated? A option is Mandla, B is Mandu, C option is Jabalpur, and D option is Gwalior. So right answer is option D, that is Gwalior. Next question is, the birthplace of the brave Queen Lakshmi Bai of the War of Independence of 1857 was A option is Agra, B is Jhansi, C option is Varanasi, and D option is Vrindavan. So birthplace of Rani Lakshmi Bai was Varanasi. That is option C is the right answer. Next question is, the real name of which of the following revolutionaries of 1857 was Ramchandra Pandurang? A option is Kunwar Singh, B is Santya Tope, C option is Nana Sahib, D option is Mangal Pandey. So right answer is option B, that is Santya Tope. Real name was Ramchandra Pandurang. Next question is, in the revolt of 1857, the combined army of the British and Jodhpur was defeated by A option is Santya Tope, B is Nawab Wazir Khan, C option is Maharaj Ram Singh, D option is Thakur Kaushal Singh of Awa. So right answer is option D, that is Thakur Kaushal Singh of Awa. Next question is, which of the following region was unaffected by the revolt of 1857? A option is Jhansi, B is Chittor, C option is Jagdishpur, D is Lucknow. So right answer is option B, that is Chittor. Next question is, which among the following region was most affected by the revolution of 1857? A option is Punjab, B is Maharashtra, C option is Awadh, and D option is Madras. So right answer is option C, that is Awadh. Next question is, who made Allahabad the emergency headquarters in 1857? A option is Lord Canning, B is Lord Cornwallis, C option is Lord Wellesley, and D option is Lord William Bentinck. So right answer is option A, that is Lord Canning. Next question is, in her last battle, Rani Lakshmibai had to face A option is Hugh Ross, B is Gough, C option is Neil, and D option is Havelock. So right answer is option A, that is Hugh Ross. Next question is, Sir Hugh Ross described whom as the best and bravest military leader of the rebel? A option is Begum Hazrat Mahal, B is Rani Lakshmi Bai, C option is Konwar Singh, and D option is Bahadur Shah Jafar. The right answer is option D, that is Rani Lakshmi Bai. Next question is, when was the Enfield rifle using the greased cartridge inducted into the British Indian Army? A option is November 1856, B is December 1856, C option is January 1857, and D option is February 1857. The right answer is option D, that is February 1857. और इन्हीं राइफल्स की इंट्रोडक्शन के बाद जो है शुरुआत होती है रिवॉल्ट ऑफ 1857, क्योंकि ऐसा कहा जाता था कि जो ये राइफल्स थी दे आर ग्रेस्ड विद द फैट्स ऑफ काउ एंड पिग। और हम सभी को पता है कि हिंदू लोग जो है गाय को जो अपनी माता की तरह मानते हैं, और जो मुस्लिम लोग हैं वो पिग की जो है पूजा करते हैं, राइट। तो वो इन चीज़ों के जो है अगेंस्ट थे। ये चीज़ थी कि वो ब्रिटिशर के द्वारा फिर एक उनके रिलीजन को हर्ट किया जाता है, उनके रिलीजियस फीलिंग्स को हर्ट किया जाता है, और शुरुआत होती है रिवॉल्ट ऑफ 1857 की, राइट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्लेसेस वाज नॉट द सेंटर ऑफ द 1857 रिवॉल्ट इन राजस्थान? A option is Ajmer, B is Jaipur, C option is Neemuch, and D option is Awa. So right answer is option B, that is Jaipur. Next question is which part of Bihar remained unaffected by the 1857 revolt? First is Danapur, second is Patna, C is Ara, fourth is Muzaffarpur, and fifth is Munger. So right answer is option B, that is only fifth. It means जो मुंगेर पार्ट था बिहार का, it remained unaffected by the revolt of 1857. Next question is who was the leader of the revolt in Bareilly in 1857? A is Khan Bahadur, B is Kunwar Singh, C option is Maulvi Ahmad Shah, and D option is Birjis Qadar. So right answer is option A, that is Khan Bahadur. Next question is who among the following fought against the British in 1857? A option is Chandrasekhar Azad, B is Ram Prasad Bismil, C option is Sadat Khan, and D option is Makhan Lal Chaturvedi. So right answer is option C, that is Sadat Khan. Next question is who was the main cause of the failure of the revolt of 1857? A option is lack of Hindu-Muslim unity, B option is absence of any general plan and a central organization, C option is its limited area of influence, and D option is participation of Jamindars. So right answer is option B, that is absence of any general plan and a central organization. Next question is who led the War of Independence of 1857 in Lucknow? A option is Jeenat Mahal, B is Nana Sahib, C option is Hazrat Mahal, and D option is Tantia Tope. So right answer is option C, that is Hazrat Mahal. Next question is Mangal Pandey is associated with the revolt at A option is Barakpur, B is Meerut, C option is Delhi, and D option is none of these. So right answer is option A, that is Barakpur. Next question is who was the British commanding officer at the Barakpur during the revolt of 1857? A option is Henry Lawrence, B option is Colonel Foynes, C option is Hearsay, and D option is Sir Hugh Wheeler. So right answer is option C, that is Hearsay. Next question is Mangal Pandey, who started the revolt of 1857, was originally from A option is Awadh, B is Jhansi, C option is Calcutta, and D option is Sindh. So right answer is option A, that is Awadh. Next question is Mangal Pandey was executed on which date? A option is 2nd June 1857, B is 8th May 1857, C is 8th April 1857, D option is 18th April 1857. So right answer is option C, that is 8th April 1857. मंगल पांडे को एग्जीक्यूट किया जाना था ऑन 18th अप्रैल 1857, बट इनको 10 दिन पहले ही फांसी की सजा दे दी जाती है, दैट इज ऑन 8th अप्रैल 1857. एंड अगर पूछा जाए दैट हु वाज द फर्स्ट मार्टियर ऑफ 1857 रिवॉल्ट, so his name was also Mangal Pandey, right? आपको ये पॉइंट याद रखना है. Next question is the first war of independence failed because A option is Indian soldiers lacked in unity, B option is most Indian princes were in support of the Britain, C option is British soldiers were better equipped and organized, and D option is all of the above. The right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Next question is the official historian of India's freedom movement was A option is R.C. Mazumdar, B option is Tarachand, C option is V.D. Savarkar, D option is S.N. Sen. So right answer is option D, that is S.N. Sen. Next question is who among the following was the leader of the revolt of 1857 in Allahabad? A option is Nana Sahib, B is Azimullah, C option is Tantia Tope, and D option is Maulvi Liaquat Ali. So right answer is option D, that is Maulvi Liaquat Ali. Next question is Mangal Pandey was a soldier of A option is 19th Native Infantry, B is 34th Native Infantry, C option is 49th Native Infantry, and last is 94th Native Infantry. The right answer is option B, that is Mangal Pandey was a soldier of 34th Native Infantry. Next question is who among the following was the staunchest enemy of the British in the 1857 revolt? A option is Maulvi Ahmadullah Shah, B option is Maulvi Imdadullah, C option is Maulana Fazal Haq Khair Abadi, and D option is Nawab Liaquat Ali. So right answer is option A, that is Maulvi Ahmadullah Shah. Next question is the British would suppress the revolt of 1857 in the Rajput state because A option is local rulers did not help the revolutionaries, B option is the educated middle class was supporting the British, C option is the soldiers in the camp were not ready to accept the leadership of revolutionaries from outside Rajputana, and D option is newspaper could not express the correct motives of the revolutionaries. So right answer is option A, that is local rulers did not help the revolutionaries. This is the main cause that British able to suppress the revolt of 1857 in Rajput states. Next question is the first Indian to write on the causes of the revolt of 1857 in a vernacular language was. A option is Sayyid Ahmad Khan, B is V.D. Savarkar, C option is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, and D option is none of the above. So right answer is option A, that is Sayyid Ahmad Khan. Next question is most of the soldiers participating in the struggle of 1857 were from A option is Bengal, B is Awadh, C is Bihar, and D option is Rajasthan. So right answer is option B, that is Awadh. और अवधि वो जगह थी विच वॉज मोस्टली अफेक्टेड बाय द रिवॉल्ट ऑफ 1857. और अगर हम बात करें दैट हु वर द लीडर ऑफ रिवॉल्ट ऑफ 1857 फ्रॉम द अवध, so she was Begum Hazrat Mahal, right? Next question is whom did Bahadur Shah give the title of Sahib-e-Alam Bahadur during the revolt of 1857? A option is Azimullah, B option is Birjis Qadir, C option is Bhagat Khan, and D option is Hassan Khan. The right answer is option C, that is Bhagat Khan. Next question is whom did rebels declare as the Emperor of India? A option is Shah Alam, B is Farooq Shiar, C option is Bahadur Shah II, and D option is Bahadur Shah first. The right answer is option C, that is Bahadur Shah II, declared as the Emperor of India during the revolt of 1857. And who was this Bahadur Shah II? So he was the last Mughal Emperor of India, right? And one more point, guys, that Bahadur Shah II was exiled by the Britisher after the end of this revolt to the Burma or Myanmar. And later on, Bahadur Shah II died in Rangoon in the year 1862, right? Next question is who led the revolt in Delhi? A option is Kunwar Singh, B is Ahmad Shah, C option is Lakshmi Bai, and D option is Bahadur Shah II and his general Bhagat Khan. So right answer is option D, that is Bahadur Shah II and General Bhagat Khan, right? Next question is which Urdu poet witnessed the revolt of 1857? A option is Mir Taki Mir, B is Juak, C option is Ghalib, and D option is Iqbal. So right answer is option C, that is Ghalib. Next question is the original home of Mirza Ghalib, the famous Urdu poet was. A option is Agra, B is Delhi, C option is Lahore, and D option is Lucknow. So right answer is option B, that is Delhi. Next question is the so-called First National War of Independence was neither first nor national and nor a war of independence. This statement is related with A option is R.C. Mazumdar, B option is S.N. Sen, C option is Tarachand, and D option is V.D. Savarkar. So this statement was given by R.C. Mazumdar. That is A option is the right answer. Next question was who was the Nana Sahib's commander in chief? A option is Azimullah, B is Birjis Qadir, C option is Tantia Tope, and D option is none of the above. So right answer is option C, that is Tantia Tope. Next question is who among the following was neither captured nor killed by the British? A option is Tantia Tope, B is Nana Sahib, C option is Mangal Pandey, and D option is Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. So right answer is option B, that is Nana Sahib. And who was this Nana Sahib? So he was the adopted son of Peshwa Baji Rao II. And who was Peshwa Baji Rao II? So he was the last Peshwa of Maratha Empire, right? And who was commander in chief of Nana Sahib? हम इसको पहले कर चुके हैं. So his name was Tantia Tope. And who was advisor to Nana Sahib? So his name was Azimullah Khan, right? Next question is which of the following concepts is correct about the revolt of 1857? A option is Indian historians have described it as an Indian revolt. B option is British historians have called it a war of independence. C option is it made East India Company's administrative system almost defunct. And D option is this revolt was meant to improve the administrative system in India. So right answer is option C, that is it made East India Company's administrative system almost defunct. Next question is which of the following classes did not take part in the revolt of 1857? First is agriculture laborer, B second is money lender, third is peasants, and fourth is zamindar. You have to choose the correct code that who were not involved in the revolt of 1857. So right answer is option D, that is 2 and 4. It means money lenders and zamindars did not take part in the revolt of 1857. Next question is where did the revolt of 1857 start? A option is Lucknow, B is Jhansi, C option is Meerut, and D option is Kanpur. So right answer is option C, that is Meerut. And the revolt of 1857 began on May 10th, 1857 at Meerut as a Sepoy Minute. आपको ये डेट याद रखनी है. This is important. Next question is who was not a participant in the first war of independence of 1857? A option is Tantia Tope, B is Rani Lakshmibai, C option is Bahadur Shah Zafar, and D option is Bhagat Singh. The right answer is option D, that is Bhagat Singh. Next question is who among the following called the revolt of 1857 a conspiracy? A option is Sir James Outram and W. Taylor, B option is Sir John Kay, and C option is Sir John Lawrence, and D option is D.R. Holmes. The right answer is option A, that is Sir James Outram and W. Taylor called the revolt of 1857 a conspiracy. Next question is in the context of the revolt of 1857, who of the following was deceived by his friend and was imprisoned and killed by the British? A option is Nana Sahib, B is Kunwar Singh, C option is Khan Bahadur Khan, and D option is Tantia Tope. So right answer is option D, that is Tantia Tope. Next question is when Queen Victoria proclaimed taking the Indian administration under the control of British Crown? A option is 1st November 1857, B option is 2nd December 1857, C option is 6th January 1958, and D option is 17th November 1859. So right answer is option A, that is 1st November 1858 को जो ब्रिटेन की क्वीन होती है वो ऐसी अनाउंसमेंट करती है कि जो इंडिया की एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है वो ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी से लेके जो है वो ब्रिटिश क्राउन के अंदर जो है चली जाएगी. राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट वाज द पर्पस ऑफ क्वीन विक्टोरिया प्रोक्लामेशन 1858? फर्स्ट इज to give up any plans of annexation of the Indian states to the British Empire. Second is to keep the Indian administration under the British Crown. Third is to regulate the East India Company's trade with India. You have to select the correct code given below. So the right answer is option A, that is first and second statement is correct. This is the purpose of Queen Victoria Proclamation, right? Next question is Queen Victoria promised many things to Indians in the proclamation of 1857. Which of the following was fulfilled by the British rule? So first option is the policy of annexation of principalities would be abolished. B option is the status quo of the native principalities would be maintained. C option is all subjects, Indians and European would receive equal treatment. And last is all of the above. So right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Next question is the first event related with the War of Independence of 1857 was A option is revolt in Kanpur and Nana Sahib taking over the leadership. B is leadership of Awadh by Begum Hazrat Mahal. C option is arrival of soldiers at the Red Fort. So D option is revolt by the Queen of Jhansi. तो जो फर्स्ट इवेंट हुआ था इस रिवॉल्ट से रिलेटेड वो था कि सारे सोल्जर्स पहुंच गए थे एट द रेड फोर्ट इन दिल्ली. दैट इज ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर. Next question is Kunwar Singh was a leading hero of the revolt of 1857. He belonged to A option is Bihar, B is Madhya Pradesh, C option is Rajasthan, and D option is Uttar Pradesh. The right answer is option A, that is Bihar. Kunwar Singh was a leader of rebellions from the Bihar during the 1857 revolt. Next question is which among the following was not related with the revolt of 1857? A option is Begum Hazrat Mahal, B is Kunwar Singh, C is option is Udham Singh, and D option is Maulvi Ahmadullah. The right answer is option C, that is Udham Singh. Next question is which of the following commission is related with the reorganization of the Indian Army after the suppression of the revolt of 1857? A option is Public Service Commission, B is Piale Commission, C option is Hunter Commission, and D option is Simon Commission. The right answer is option B, that is Piale Commission. Next question is, who among the following was the leader of the revolt of 1857 in Assam? A option is Diwan Mani Ram Dutt, B option is Kandapeshwar Singh, C option is Purandar Singh, and D option is Pyali Barua. So right answer is option A, that is Diwan Mani Ram Dutt. Next question is, which dynasty helped the British most in the War of Independence of 1857? A option is Scindia of Gwalior, B option is Holkar of Indore, C option is Bhonsle of Nagpur, and D option is Lodhi of Ramgarh. So right answer is option A, that is Scindia of Gwalior. Next question is, which of the following centers of the revolt of 1857 was first to be reoccupied by the British? A option is Jhansi, B is Meerut, C option is Delhi, D option is Kanpur. So right answer is option C, that is Delhi. Next question is, the educated middle class in India. A option is oppose the revolt of 1857, B is supported the revolt of 1857, C option is remained neutral from the revolt of 1857, and D option is fought against the princely states. So right answer is option C, that is remain neutral from the revolt of 1857. Next question is, between 15 July 1857 to 20th January 1858, the center of the revolt of 1857 in Bihar was. A option is Rampur, B is Hamirpur, C is Dhirpur, and D option is Jagdishpur. So right answer is option D, that is Jagdishpur. Next question is, which person of Jagdishpur led the revolutionaries in the revolt of 1857? A is Kunwar Singh, B is Chandrasekhar Azad, C option is Tirath Singh, and D option is Ram Singh. So right answer is option A, that is Kunwar Singh. Next question is, the British government chose soldiers from these provinces after the revolt of 1857. A option is Brahmins of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, B option is Bengali, Sikh and Punjabi from northern province, C option is Gorkha, Sikh and Punjabi from the northern province, and D option is Madras Presidency and Maratha. The right answer is option C, that is Gorkha, Sikh and Punjabi from the northern province. Next question is, which one of the following books is the official history of revolt of 1857 published by the publication division, that's Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India? A option is 1857, B is Theory of Indian Mutiny, C option is the Sepoy Mutiny and the Revolt of 1857, and last option is none of the above. The right answer is option A, that is 1857 is the official history of the revolt of 1857. Next question is, who is the author of the book The First Indian War of Independence 1857 to 59? A option is Karl Marx, B is Syed Ahmad Khan, C option is R.C. Mazumdar, and D option is S.N. Sen. So right answer is option A, that is Karl Marx. Next question is, the Meerut outbreak was sudden and short-lived like a summer gale. This statement with reference to 1857 mutiny was made by which historian? A option is S.N. Sen, B is R.C. Mazumdar, C option is S.B. Chaudhary, and D option is V.D. Savarkar. So right answer is option A, that is S.N. Sen. Guys, here I mentioned the list of all leaders who participated in the revolt of 1857. So you have to remember कि कौन से लीडर्स या रिवोल्यूशनरी ने टेक पार्ट किया था कौन सी जगह से, राइट? ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, इस पर एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन बनता है, राइट? यहाँ पर मैंने कुछ ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर्स के नाम दिए हुए हैं और उन्होंने कौन सी जगह पर जो है 1857 के रिवोल्ट को जो है स्प्रेस किया था, उसको वहां से खत्म किया था, आपको ये भी याद रखना है, राइट? तो आप प्लीज वीडियो को पॉज कीजिए और इन सभी को जो है अच्छे से याद कर लीजिए, राइट? या कहीं पर नोट डाउन कर लीजिए या स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर रख लीजिए, राइट गाइस? So that's it for today. I hope that you love the content. Please give a one thumbs up to video. We will meet soon in the next session guys. Till then, bye bye and take care.